that God gave to us. We need to carry it all. I got the world in my hands.
So, Shay, teacher, it reminds me how really important
It's time to care, do our part. Give us a start in the heart. It's our home and it's beautiful. But we need to carry it on. Just enjoy the show.
turn off the lights. Conserving energy is crucial.
I recycled it. It's a simple way to reduce waste.
Carrying a small potted plant. This little plant, it reminds that we are all connected. I plant seed. It's small act, but it helps bring the nature's back.
I am the forest, ancient and wise. I have sheltered you, provided for you, for millennia. But now I am shrinking. My trees are falling. My creatures are vanishing. Do you not hear my cries? I am the ocean, vast and deep. I nourish you, connect you, regulate your climate. Now I am choking. My waters are warming. My corals are dying. My creatures are frozen. Do you not feel my pain? I am the air, invisible but vital. I give you life with every breath, but now I am polluted. I burn your lungs. I carry disease. I shroud your cities. Do you not taste my bitter